Hello, welcome back. You are now in Module 5 of the ITIL4 SDIT certification training, Sustainability in Digital and IT. In Module 1, we began with understanding some basic concepts. Then we moved through the sustainability journey using the ITIL4's continual improvement model. We began with answering the first question, what is the sustainability vision? Followed by where are we now? And then the next question was to answer, where do we want to be? And now we are at how do we get there? This will be followed in subsequent modules with answering the questions to take action, did we get there, and how do we keep the momentum going? And that will complete the sustainability journey, which is a repetitive journey, not a one-time journey. So let's now look at what is in Module 5. How do we get there? In Part 1, we will be covering sustainability strategies and also the role of technology in sustainability. This module is in 3 parts. The key learning outcomes of this entire module are the following. To explain the role of services and the service economy in sustainability, the role of digital technology in sustainability, explain how sustainable business models are supported by digital or IT, describe the key elements of an organization's sustainability strategy, and describe the key elements of sustainability culture. So in summary, it's about the digital technology, business models, strategy, and the culture with respect to sustainability. You already are aware that we are following the continual improvement model of ITIL to go through the 7 steps of the sustainability journey of an organization. Currently, we are at how do we get there? In this step, the following questions are answered. What is the best way to achieve the agreed sustainability objectives? What resources are needed and what is the best way to obtain them? How do we ensure that the plans are sufficiently funded? How do we communicate, discuss, and agree the proposed sustainability plans? How do we ensure that the plans are up to date and adjusted to changing circumstances? So very clearly, these questions are related to how do we get there? And this can be a strategic, tactical, or operational plan depending on the vision and objectives of the organization. If the sustainability journey is strategic, then feedback from execution of earlier plans will also be an input. The outcome of these steps will be mainly the strategies to achieve the sustainability objectives and also the plans at the various levels with actions, resources, roles and responsibilities, risks and their mitigations, and the communications, which means all the 4 dimensions of ITIL need to be considered during this planning. Because this question here mainly is about how do we get there? There are several inputs needed to this step, such as what is the vision, where are we now, where do we want to be, which means we need the following inputs: the organization's purpose, vision, and the sustainability vision in particular, the organization's current ecosystem description, the key stakeholders of ongoing and new sustainability initiatives and their interest levels, the regulatory and other standards to be applied, the current state of the organization itself, and the gap between the current and desired state, and the outcomes and objectives of the ongoing and new sustainability initiatives as well. So we are here to understand what is a sustainability strategy. We can define this as how an organization sustainably defines and achieves its purpose. And such a strategy is integral to an organization's business strategy and other strategic plans, such as digital, product, or marketing plans. The sustainability strategy mainly describes 2 things. It describes the organization's objectives related to all the 3 pillars of sustainability and the actions or approaches needed to achieve those objectives. It addresses the following sustainability challenges as well: how to optimize resources, how to minimize waste and emissions, how to attain excellence in business and operational areas. It's also about corporate citizenship and social sustainability, performing research and innovation, and sustainable procurement, supply chain, and logistics. Therefore, sustainability strategies or strategy should include ways of working and certain products and services, which can include the following: the current and target definitions and descriptions of a sustainable business model, strategies that support the sustainable business model, and the ways of transitioning from the current state to the defined sustainable business model. Generally, sustainability strategy is part of the business strategy, though it can be documented separately. It is important that this sustainability strategy is integrated closely with digital product and marketing and strategic plans. In fact, it will address the sustainability challenges that we have seen here on this slide. We now are looking at sustainable business models. Creating sustainable business model requires innovation of sustainability solutions and incentives. This will result in benefits of risk mitigation, resilience, value co-creation, opportunities. The organization can integrate any sustainability business model within its business model and strengthen its sustainability. For example, circular business model, social enterprise model, the base of the pyramid solutions.